Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the base and attach it to your assembled box frame. So we're going to start off by making a new part. We're pretty good at this. A new 2D sketch. Select a plane, and we want a rectangle. It's a simple rectangular base. Drag it out to any size right now. We'll have worked out the dimensions for your bases if you do it like this. This one is going to be 300, and then zoom out. And then we'll dimension the side. The side is going to be 281 millimeters because I've lost a little bit of the sides due to the housing joints. Then I'm going to finish the sketch, zoom out, and I'm going to extrude it. If you remember that we cut our base grooves to be 12 millimeters, so that's how much we're going to extrude the base to. And then we're going to give it a very quick wood color, maybe one that we haven't used. There you go. And now I'm going to save it as my box base really quickly. There we go. Yes, I'd already done this once and messed up the size. So now we're going to open the assembly of the box frame that we had made earlier and saved. Let me find it. There we go. We'll go assembly. And now we can open it. We can place the whole assembly. There we go. There's the box frame. Nice little preview. Click to place it once. Press escape. And now we're going to place the base that we've just made. Okay, place that down. I'm going to use the same constrain and mate. I'm going to mate the surface of the base to the inside shoulder of that groove. Doesn't really matter which way right now, but just make sure you actually get a face. There we go. Then we'll apply and we'll zoom out. Now we might need to spin it 90 degrees. So what that will mean is I want that face there. If I can zoom correctly, I want to place that one and then attach it to that side. Beautiful. And then apply. Now this time we're only going to use the mate function. We don't need to flush it because now we just have one gap to fix up. So we're going to flush that face there on the edge of our base over to the face on the inside of our little groove and apply. Lo and behold, in just over 3 minutes, and you have got a completed box. Isn't it nice? Remember, you can always rewind and rewatch and ask for help in lessons if you want, but I hope you found this helpful. Thanks very much.